My name is Kyle Colley. I'm with Read More. This is just another one of our quick Read More quick takes. And it's Black History Month, so I want to do one other book called The Legendary Book, Malcolm X's autobiography, the autobiography of Malcolm X. This book is truly a classic, and it's actually one of the best autobiographies that I've read. Actually, it's up there with the, a lot of people like Ben Franklin. This one's up there as well. But it just talks about Malcolm X. He started as Malcolm Little, and it talks about his life from being a pusher and basically a pimp, and his lifestyle in Harlem and in Detroit and Michigan, all the way to him going to jail, becoming a part of, what's it called, Muslims, the Nation of Islam, Elijah Muhammad, and then matriculating into who we know as the real Malcolm X. So this book is very much a classic, and one of my favorite parts is just his idea of being. I mean, this is Read More at its core, is that idea of recreating yourself, no matter where you are. This man went to prison for a house invasion. He got a house invasion and he went to jail. And a lot of people that go to jail, either two things happen. I think this is even one thing. Side note, I think the jail system could be fixed. I think the fact that we put people in jail is in the rehabilitation is not well. Like we can do something as far as actually getting people into curriculums and actually helping them grow. Like everything you do, I mean, basically you go to jail and you come back just as much of a criminal, if not, as you were before. You just sat 6 months in there. But I think Malcolm X did something that's incredible. He actually went to jail and he started reading. He started becoming the embodiment of Read More. He became the Read More. He said in jail he didn't spend 15 minutes without reading. He had a quote that was basically said, my automodern was books. He's like, I never went 15 minutes without reading more. Like we said, reading more. But I really think this is like the game changer. I think this is the game changer in life. It's the key that no one tells you. I mean, they always tell you read, but they're giving you the worst books. I'm telling you, I don't want to be bearer of bad news, but I think the 2016 goal with Read More, my fault, I'm trying to get this light on cue. But one of the 2016 goals with Read More is to actually read intentionally, like read books that grow you somewhere. I'm not saying I think everything's good. Everything is good in leisure. Like we eat candy, but that doesn't mean you eat candy all day. You should read books that make you like, yo, after reading this book, I need to go do this. Or this book gave me the idea that I can actually make a business that can impact lives. Like I told you, one of the books that changed my life was Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. When I read that book, that opened a new portal in my mind, and I can never be the same Kyle because I learned. But I like this book by Malcolm X because it just shows his matriculation. He started believing in Allah, who's equivalent to God, and he started tapping into frequencies and infinite intelligence and the flows of the universe, and he just became a man of the people, the man of the oppressed people, the African American people at the time. And because it's Black History Month, I really wanted to give you guys this book. Once again, I'm gonna show it to you, Malcolm X. Because it just shows that what you can do. Like, don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your aspirations. No matter where you find yourself, if you find yourself in the gutter, man, if you read more, if you read more of the right books, like don't go off of that high school perspective that books aren't good and the only books you can read are The Great Gatsby, because you can read books that are changing lives. You can read Tools of Titans. You can read this book, and these books will change your life. And I'm going to keep this one short as well because it is a quick take. But if you guys do want to hear more from Malcolm X, from our perspective, make sure you comment below. I'll do another one. And like I said, my name is Kyle Colley. Check us out at www.readmoreco.com and on IG at Readmore, or on Instagram at ReadMoreCO. Thank you. Take care.